Good day everyone. So today we will be conducting our last experiment, which is experiment number 2, entitled Compression Test on Wood Specimen, specifically cocoa lumber, mahogany, and Gmelina species. So our objectives for this experiment is to determine the compressive strength of the 3 wood specimens and to observe the mechanical behavior of the specimens under compressive loading.
First, we will measure 38 centimeters for each wood specimen.
Hey, by the way, this is our last schedule. Complete na rin na. Yes, sir.
Mura na ang Gmelina. After that, we're gonna measure the wood specimens dimensions, which are the height and the width.
After that, we're gonna weigh the wood specimen.
So currently we're conducting the compression test for the mahogany species.
Bye! Timbang? Yan.
Theoretically o actual?
May comprehensive.
Ay, tanan size na na to.
Among the 3 wood specimen tested, mahogany exhibit the highest compressive strength at 30.898 megapascal, followed by Gmelina at 14.928 megapascal and cocoa lumber at 10.035 megapascal. These results shows that mahogany can withstand the greatest compressive force before failure, confirming its reliability for structural application. Its superior performance is further emphasized by its highest maximum load at 63,692 newtons, nearly double that of Gmelina 34,861 newtons and significantly higher than cocoa lumber 17,320 newtons, despite having a lighter weight 0.411 kilogram than cocoa lumber 0.522 kilogram. Interestingly, cocoa lumber through the heaviest has the lowest compressive strength and smallest cross-sectional area, 1,726 millimeters squared, indicating that higher density does not necessarily equate to greater strength. Strength depends not only on weight but also on internal properties such as grain structure, moisture content, and fiber orientation. Mahogany with a moderate weight and a well-aligned grain outperform in strength depend on lower mass. Based on the National Structure Code of the Philippines and Bureau of Product Standard, mahogany meet and even exceed the expected compressive strength value, typically 15 to 30 MPa for structural timber, making it acceptable for structural use. Gmelina fall within acceptable range for light to moderate application, while cocoa lumber at only 10.035 MPa fall below minimum structure standard and is more appropriate for non-load bearing or temporary use. As a material engineer, I would confidently accept mahogany for structural use due to its consistent strength and high load capacity. Gmelina may be accepted conditionally for components not subject to high stress. However, cocoa lumber should be rejected for any structural purposes of its low compressive strength poses safety risk. The variability in performance across specimens can be attributed to factors such as moisture content, grain orientation, and natural defect which have an influence result. For instance, the lower strength of Coccolumbar and Gemellina may be partially due to higher moisture level, which are known to reduce the wood stiffness and strength. These environment and structural factors significantly affect experiment outcome and must be controlled in future tests.